Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I'm going to go with metallics because I'm kind of hooked on metallics right now. And what I have mixed up is just this much, a little bit more maybe right in there. So I don't have a ton of them, about right in here. And this one has a little more, the copper does. But, and I know copper tends to take over, so I'll try to be careful with that. But I'm thinking I might do a white base coat because the gray and the copper are really kind of dark, even though this is a lighter gray than I have that's in a different brand. So the colors that I'm using are silver molten metals by Chroma. Get these at Dick Blick. Xanadu gold, Dorado gold, which is a really pretty yellow gold and it dries so pretty, and Rojo. And this is not copper, that's Rojo, but their colors are very similar. It's just a little more red than the copper normally would be. So those are my colors. Have a little of each. I think I'm going to go with a white base coat. So I'll put that down. Maybe doing the wrong thing by not running it over the edges, but I just don't want to run it over the edges. So, I mean, it will spill over as the paint goes over. I think I'm just going to do a flip cup. And these are not real thin now. Because sometimes with them, you don't know what you're going to get. I'm going to put these in the cup a little bit different. I'm not going to layer one layer on top of the other on top of the other. I'm going in, putting a little on one side, a little on the other side, and then back and forth a little bit. So, I think it'll be fun. Mix it up a little. I like these little shot glasses. They're so slick on the inside, they don't have any ridges. It makes it easier to scrape your paint out. Try to get it all. And they don't squeak like those 5-ounce ones of mine. Those 5-ounce cups, man, they make a lot of noise with my gloves for some strange reason. I think that's what they are, shot glasses. I have no idea where I got them. They might be at Walmart. I get Kroger, Walmart, and Dollar Tree sometimes, but actually it's cheaper to go to the grocery store and get them than it is the Dollar Tree. If you watch your quantities and the amounts that you're getting on most cups, I find. I started out buying them at the Dollar Tree, and then I got to comparing. And when Kroger has a sale, I get them better there, better price there. So that's where I get most of my cups. So, I do not have 3 ounces. I probably have about 2. So that's how it looks. You can see I've kind of patchwork quilted it. Ooh, it's going to float. And I have a push pin. We might let it float. See where it goes and what it does. Getting sales like crazy. I love doing it this way. I just don't like picking it up straight up. Because then you get a big circle. Probably lose all my cells off the edge. It's probably still too much paint with a base coat. I really like that. I'm gonna torch it a little, see if anything happens. I did not put any silicone in this. Might have some air bubbles under there. What to do, what to do. I like all this lacing. I have a lot of lacing in here. I don't particularly like this whole eyeball looking area. Looks like eyeballs, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt some of that. I may just pour some white right over the edge here and let it be negative space. Maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna have to touch up this side over here, because even doing this isn't covering it. Well, because the paint's at an angle. The colored paint is at an angle. And if this looks too thin after it dries, I may go in with a brush and put another coat on it. I'll just have to wait and see how it dries. And if it has a little metallic in it, that's okay too. That would be okay too. Just want to get that corner covered up because it's a little thin right in there. So, I'm still not in love with this area right here. Just don't know what I want to do about that. Can you see? It just looks weird. I wish I hadn't put that silver in there now. Maybe I'll just do this. Let that one run off the edge right there. I like that a lot better. Okay, so I'm leaving it now. It's okay that it has some gold right there and that the silver is going down the side. The white just went that way, really weird. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. But basically, I'm finished. Oh man, I think I just messed it up worse. I have to put some more white down that side. And it really pulled up here and the white came through, but I don't care. I don't even care. I like that part. I like all this lacing and cells. Maybe y'all can see that. So, I'm good. I'm good now. I like that. I'm gonna touch up my sides. I'll give y'all a close-up so you can see what I see. Thank you so much for watching. I invite you to come back, watch me again, see what it is that I'm doing the next time around, because you just never know with me what's gonna strike my fancy, what kind of, you know, something I'll come up with. I'm not really into trying to create a whole new technique to blow up the internet. I just like having fun and finding stuff that's anybody, you know, I feel like it's pretty easy and anybody can do it and hopefully come out with results where they're satisfied. So that's my goal. And if you fast forward, that's okay. I don't mind. I understand. Sometimes I do that myself. I'll say, okay, I want to see the end piece. And then if I really like it, I'll back up and I'll watch some more. So I totally get that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, evening, night, whatever it may be, wherever you are in your part of the world. I'm really kind of, I don't know, undecided on that gray or that silver because it really came through as gray. But I love that light gold, that Dorado gold, which is that really light gold. And then I think the red showed up, and the orangey kind of gold, which is the Xanadu gold, is kind of blended in there too. I think a little red showed up over here by that silver, and probably some of that Dorado gold because it's darker. But I think this is pretty. I mean, I can see how somebody would like this. It's very cool looking. Kind of organic, maybe. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll post a picture at the end with it dry.